to change currency in Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon, and here there's a section called Settings. Simply tap on Settings. So now we're in the Settings interface. Here you can find different options and can even customize it. Here on the top, tap on Select Currency. So basically this is the place where you can find different currencies. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize it. So simply tap on the one that you want to select. So here I'm tapping on one, and now you're all set to go. So the whole interface is changed now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.